Hi, I'm Anna with Heartwood Art. See how to easily make Dados and Rabbet joinery of any depth in SketchUp. And be sure to subscribe to this channel for more SketchUp tips and tutorials. Okay, let's dive in. Before we start making things, let's check our project dimensions to ensure we're both inputting the same lengths. In the top left, click the hamburger menu, click App Settings, and I have mine set to decimal inches. Let's close this. And let's create our 1x12 board, which is pretty standard for a bookshelf where you might use Dados and Rabbets. So hit R for the rectangle tool. Let's start at the origin, click and drag up. And let's input our dimensions of 36, space 11.25 and hit enter. Let's zoom in here and give it some height. Hit P for the push-pull tool, hover over the top face, and drag it up a bit and input our dimension of 0.75. Hit enter. Now let's make it a component. Hit spacebar for the selection tool. Triple click to select the whole thing. Hit G and let's type in sideboard. And click create. Now let's create the rabbet at the top where our top shelf board will sit. And I'm going to hit O for orbit. Turn it around, zoom in quite a bit. Let's right click and pan to move it up so we can see it and zoom in a little more. Now we need to put this thing into edit mode, so hit spacebar and then double click. See the dotted lines? That's edit mode. And now we want to draw lines where we want to create the rabbet, and the order you go in matters for making it easy. We're going to go clockwise. So hit L for the line tool. Click once on this top endpoint corner. Let go of your mouse. Go across to the opposite endpoint. Click once there. Let go of your mouse. Might need to move your mouse to find the point again. Click once. Let go of your mouse. Now, mine snaps into place at 0.75. Yours may or may not. It won't do it later on the dados. So go ahead and input your measurement of 0.75 and hit enter. Move until you see that point again. Click once, let go of your mouse, come across to the opposite side and ensure that your line is green so that you're parallel with the green axis. Click once there, move your mouse, click once on it again, and move over to your original point and click. Now if you want to take out 1/4 of an inch, which is 1/3 of the thickness of the material, you'd input 0.25. If you want to take out half the material, which is 3/8, you'll input 0.375. I'm going to take out 1/4, so hit P for the push-pull tool. Click and drag down a bit and input 0.25 and hit enter. Now we need to take it out of edit mode. So hit spacebar for the selection tool and click in an empty spot. Now we're going to create our dados much the same way, but to make it easier, let's add a guideline for our depth. I'm going to zoom out on this and hit orbit, right click and pan. And move this whole thing over because I need to see both ends of the board. Let's collapse this right sidebar and zoom into the center just a bit. Okay, let's draw that guideline. Hit T for the tape measure tool. Get on the endpoint of your rabbet. Click once there. Move all the way across to the other end of the board. Ensure your line is red so that you're parallel with the red axis, and click once there. Now we have a guideline. Let's make a dado, and let's measure for where we want to put it. We already have our tape measure tool up, so get on this top endpoint of our rabbet, click once there, let go of your mouse button, drag over to the right, and input your distance. I'm going to do 10 inches. Hit enter. As you can see, it made a mark, and that's where we're going to put our dado. Now we need to draw lines for it. So we need to zoom in a bit. I'm going to orbit to get a little more of a top-down view on this. And we need to put this into edit mode. So hit spacebar, double click on it, get our dotted lines. Now let's bring up the line tool for our dado. Hit L and then click on that guide point of the mark we just made and go across this edge until it turns green. Click once there, let go of your mouse, click again, move over and input our distance of 0.75. Hit enter. Move till you find that point. Click, let go of your mouse. Come across, ensure your line is green. Click once, and then click on that point again and move over to your origin. Click. Let's zoom way in here. Let's take this dado down. Hit P for the push-pull. Hover over the top face. Click and drag down to your guideline. And then be sure to take your component out of edit mode before you create more measure marks. So hit spacebar and click anywhere to exit the edit mode. And here's why you do that. You don't want to draw things on here while it's in edit because it becomes attached to the component. And we're going to want to remove these guidelines and measure marks. So let's see how to do that. If you need to zoom in, do that. Make sure you're out of edit mode. Click once on your guideline. It will become highlighted, in this case blue. And then on your keyboard, hit delete. You can do the same thing for a measure mark. Click once on it. You'll see it and the line highlighted, and then hit delete. Okay, that's it. And be sure to see the 2 playlists for tips and builds, and subscribe to this channel for more SketchUp tutorials.